Translucent. And opaque. Objects. Transparent. Let's light through. Translucent. Let's a little light through. Oh no, light through. Okay. Transparent. Let's light through. Translucent. Let's a little light through. Okay. Let's no light through. Okay. Do you see the light? Do you see the light on the table? Do you see the light? Oh. Try. Good. Okay. Do you see the light on the table? Transparent. Okay. Ooh, do you see the light on the table? Yes? Do you see the light? Transparent. Transparent. Yeah? Okay. You see the light? Yes? You see it? You see the light? Ooh, you see it? Okay. The light? No, why not?
Yes.
You see it? Yeah? You see it? Yeah? You see it? You see it? No, why not? Because the book is okay. The book is okay. Okay. See the light? Oh, because the book is okay. Okay? No light. Oh, you see the light? You see the light? You see the light? Oh, why? The book is okay. Okay? Or translucent or opaque? What do you think? Transparent, translucent, or opaque? Opaque. So no light. You don't see the light. You don't see the light. But you said opaque. Opaque means no light. Opaque, no light. So is it opaque?